please, please, please don't ask what the culture is like in your job interview. That's like sitting in a customer service call and being asked your name and your account number for the 50th time. It probably starts to get annoying. Your job in that interview is above everything else to stand out. It's almost like the old adage that any news is good news. Because imagine that interview has been sitting through 12 interviews that day, and you can bet that probably at least 5 of them asked that exact question. It becomes really hard to stand out if you ask boilerplate questions like that. So at a minimum, ask, what makes top performers succeed here? Or what would you say the top 10% of your company has in common? Anything like that really takes that question and makes it more punchy, more specific, but better yet, something that's based on conversations that you've had in the past with employees there and specific or unique to the way that company operates that shows you've done some homework.